Guangdong IKE Industrial Company Limited. With 63,000 square meter production area. Following the principle of win the power with quality and win the trust with integrity. We have been marching on a path which focuses enterprise culture, emphasizes market demand-based technology innovation, and efficient shared, value-driven management. We own more than 100 patents and copyrights. These years, IKE Machinery enjoys the supreme brand reputation and market popularity in the global market. IKE invested $6 million to developing and manufacturing heat pump food dehydrators. As a client-centered company, we provide a comprehensive solution for the food drying process. Now, IKE has all-in-one cabinet-style dehydrators, drying rooms and belt chain dryers to meet different demands of our clients. With the closed-loop aerofaction technology, the drying effect and quality have increased by several folds. IKE has built sophisticated research laboratories of national standards. Our talented engineers have invented and manufactured the highest-level products nationally and internationally, and scientifically managed the production to ensure their quality. To meet the high demands from customers worldwide on product quality, IKE has equipped its garden-esque factory with the most advanced manufacturing facility. The adoption of automatic manufacturing through digital and network control effectively eliminates human errors, greatly reduces human labor. Drying is necessary anywhere, but it is especially useful for areas such as planting, farming, hotel management, and wood industry. However, traditional drying technologies are lower in quality, and thus cannot guarantee a good drying effect. Currently, there is a great and urgent demand for more advanced energy-saving drying technology and equipment. IKE has strived for many years to conquer all of the problems mentioned above. Finally, we have developed more advanced closed-loop aerofaction heat pump drying technology that offers a superior drying quality and effect, and a significant power saving. With the advanced technology and superior quality, IKE's closed-loop aerofaction heat pump dryer has become the best choice of our clients.